Welcome back. It's time for another unboxing, and I have the boAt Stone 135 Bluetooth speaker. It's a pretty compact, simple speaker. Um, it supports TWS. That was important for me. I'll talk about that. And water resistant. It says IPX4. Probably it can take a little bit of water droplets. Maybe not in the shower, but yeah, you can take it out. It's got a built-in hands-free mic. Voice assistant, and it's supposedly pretty lightweight. So let's get into the unboxing. So I was looking for a compact Bluetooth speaker to use basically while I'm listening to YouTube and streaming some of my favorite content while in bed. So using a full-fledged stereo system really doesn't make sense, nor do the big headphones. So that's how I narrowed down to this. I got this on an introductory sale. It cost me about $850 on Amazon. The full price is around 1,400 rupees. Sorry, that's 199 MRP, but I got it for around $850. So it's a good deal. I mean, it looks very nice, rubberized cover, nice grill work, a simple rubber handle. So it looks very rugged. I hope it sounds good too. Pretty basic buttons. There's a volume up down, and there is a multifunction button as well. A long press turns it on, long press turns it off, and a double tap on the multi-mode button will basically turn on the TWS feature. So if you got two of these, you can actually pair them and use it as a stereo speaker. So that's it. This is going to be a quick demo. I'll show some sound bites in a minute, but this is all there is. Very basic, simple Bluetooth speaker. Okay, the box has a few other things. There's a charging cable, so the battery lasts for about 11 hours. I mean, that's what they claim. Some branding just to make you feel good. If you like boAt stuff, there's some more. I think there's a catalog of their products available in here. So yeah, very basic, but I got it at a good price, so it's worth it. But would you pay the full price? I'm not. So other than the feel-good factor, there's something I don't like about boAt. Let me talk about that one first. There are a lot of things to like. I think you can see that it looks good, very basic, looks rugged. But what I don't like in most of the boAt products is the turn-on sound. Okay, I'll try to get closer. It's pretty loud. Okay, this is
Bluetooth mode.
This is just a deep bass, but the voice and the sound are pretty loud. I wouldn't want to use it at night. If you turn it off, it's going to wake up everybody. But that's one big drawback with boAt. I hope they're listening. I don't know if we can set the volume of the prompts, but we'll figure out. Now let me just pair it with my phone and play something on this. So if you just turn on Bluetooth on your phone, you should find your device. I know that's a whole bunch of Bluetooth devices. I don't know why I have so many of them lying at home, but I've got a whole bunch of them. So let's look at it. Stone 135. So that's the model number. I'll try pairing. It should be quick. And like I told you, the prompts are pretty loud. So be careful if you're using this late night when people are sleeping around you. But once it's paired, I think the rest of it is straightforward. I'll just play something, maybe an internet radio station. I don't know if you guys have tried out Radio Garden. This is something that allows you to stream radio stations from across the world. So I use this for testing and listening to it. Very useful stuff. So right now I'm playing a smooth jazz station. I can actually feel the bass in it. Clear. I'll give you a proper sound demo in a minute. I'll use my usual rig. So give me a minute. Okay, what did you think about the sound sample? Overall, I'd say it's pretty good for a small size speaker. I mean, don't expect audiophile quality, but very usable if you just want some background music playing while you're at work or while you're traveling. You can take this along. So, pretty decent. I'm not very impressed with the stereo separation, but I didn't have a proper setup as well to produce a good sound stage. But yeah, it's capable of stereo, and let's leave it at that. It has a mic, so you can use this for receiving calls. I haven't tried that. And interestingly, this also has a SD card slot, a micro SD card slot, so you can probably put in some of your favorite music and just take it along. You don't even have to use Bluetooth or your phone for that. So yeah, feature packed for its price. So I got it at $850, so that's around $10. At $10 a piece, good value for money. But anything more than that, think twice. But yeah, tell me in the comments about what you like about it. Talk to you soon.